How to install Claude in PowerPoint. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open PowerPoint on your device, and now once you have opened PowerPoint, simply go ahead and open a blank presentation, or you can also open any existing presentation. Now once you have opened a presentation, tap on the Home tab, and in the Home tab you will see the option for add-ins on top right. So tap on the add-ins option on the top right, and then tap on the Find More Add-ins in Microsoft option you see there. Now in this particular interface, you will see the option for Claude by Anthropic for PowerPoint. So simply tap on the Get It Now option you see there, and you will then be required to enter your Microsoft account details. So go ahead and enter that. Once entered, you will be required to complete the process for signing in, and once signed in, you will be successfully be able to download Claude for Microsoft. So this was about how you can install Claude AI for Microsoft PowerPoint. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.